Hello dear children, I welcome you all for today's online class. In previous session, we learned the different forms of degrees of comparison. I hope you have understood all the examples and some of you have sent the different examples also. So I appreciate you a lot. Today, let's learn how to make different kinds of sentences in degrees of comparison. In previous session, what we learned children? We learned the positive, comparative and superlative form of the adjective. How the adjective is written in three forms. So it was clear that only the quality and quantity forms of adjectives are changed in these three forms. Okay. What was remaining children? Only to make the sentences was remaining. So today I am here to clear that concept. Have a look on the first example here. No other man was as strong as Bhim. What is the question here? Change the given sentence into 2 degrees. So in last session what we studied? We studied that how to change the adjective in 3 forms. Now today we are studying how to make the sentences in 3 forms. So can you guess children in which form this sentence is? No other man was as strong as Bhim. The first and foremost thing is whenever the sentence is given, you have to identify in which form the sentence is. Then later if the question is given as change the given sentence into 2 degrees, then automatically you will understand that you have to change in other 2 forms which is remaining. The sentence will be in front of you and that when you identify it will be clear that only remaining 2 degrees are there and in that form you have to change. Understood? So in which form this sentence is children? This sentence is in positive form. So in which form we is remaining to change? Comparative and superlative form is remaining to change. So this sentence only we have to change in those 2 degrees. Okay. Let's see. Bhim was stronger than any other man. Bhim was the strongest of men. This is what? Very simple. No other man was as strong as Bhim it was. And what is the adjective? That is strong. That adjective changed into stronger. And in comparative form, than is used. Then in superlative form, the is used. Strong, stronger, strongest is adjective. Have you got an idea now? Can I repeat it? See, no other man was as strong as Bhim. This was the sentence and it was asked to change into 2 degrees. So remaining 2 degrees were comparative and superlative. Bhim was stronger than any other man. Bhim was the strongest of men. Okay. Let's solve the next example. Very few countries are as rich as Japan. Even this sentence is also asked to change in 2 degrees. Will you identify in which form this sentence is? Yes, children, this sentence is also in positive form. Only thing is no other than is not used here. Only very few is used. Very few is also appropriate. You can also write the positive form in this form also. Very few countries are as rich as Japan. So the remaining 2 degrees are comparative and superlative. Japan is richer than any other country, or the other form of comparative you can write like this: Japan is richer than most other countries. Which is the adjective children? Rich, richer, richest. This is the adjective. Third one, Japan is the richest country of all. I hope you understood, and I hope that you will try to make different examples like this. Let's solve some more examples. This is the another example. Shimla is the best of all hill stations. Now this sentence is appearing different. The first two sentences were in positive form, but this sentence appears different, means this sentence is in, can you guess children, is in superlative form. Why? Because the is used and the third form of the adjective, that is the superlative form of the adjective, is used, that is best. Can you guess what will be the positive and comparative form of the best? Good, better, best. Understood? Can I repeat it? Good, better, best. So this sentence is in superlative form. And how many degrees remained? In 2 degrees means the positive and comparative. This sentence you have to change into positive and comparative. Let's see children. No other hill station is as good as Shimla. Shimla is better than some other hill stations. Understood? Very simple it is. What was the sentence? Shimla is the best of all hill stations. No other hill station is as good as Shimla. Shimla is better than some other hill stations. This is another example. Iron is more useful than most other metals. Again, this sentence is also asked to change in 2 degrees. Can you guess in which form this sentence is? Okay, this sentence is in comparative form. And can you guess the adjective here? The adjective is useful. And how it is used, children? More useful. That means how the adjective comes in two forms, in other two forms: useful, more useful, most useful. I hope you are understanding. Okay. Then, how you are guessing that this sentence is in comparative form? Than is used. So, more iron is more useful than most other metals. So, the remaining 2 degrees are positive and superlative. Let's see the first form of the sentence, that is positive form. Very few metals are as useful as very few metals are as useful as iron. Iron is one of the most useful metal of all. This is next example, children. Supriya was more beautiful than any other girls in class. So, which is the adjective? Beautiful. So, how it comes? Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So, this sentence is in comparative form. Supriya was more beautiful than any other girls in class. The remaining 2 degrees are positive and superlative. Let's see. No other girl in class was as beautiful as Supriya. Why I didn't use is here? Can you guess, children? Why I didn't use is? Why? Because you can see here Supriya was, it is given here. So, in the same form only you have to write. If it is in past form, you have to write in past form. If it is in present form, you should also make it in present form only. No other girl in class was as beautiful as Supriya. Supriya was the most beautiful girl of all in class. This is another example. No other king was as brave as Prithviraj Chauhan. This sentence is no doubt that this sentence is in positive form. Comparative and superlative we have to make. Prithviraj Chauhan was braver than any other king. Prithviraj Chauhan was the bravest of all kings. Can you guess, children, which is the adjective? Adjective is brave. So it becomes brave, braver, bravest. Can I repeat it? See, no other king was as brave as Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan was braver than any other king. Prithviraj Chauhan was the bravest of all kings. Now, this is your homework today's. You can write this, take your own time, and you can write this in your grammar classwork in the till next session comes, till the next session of grammar comes. Okay. So these sentences are in superlative form. Nearly 10 sentences are there. You have to, means these all sentences are in superlative form, means you have to change these sentences into positive and comparative. Okay. What is the first sentence? Gold is one of the heaviest metals. The adjective is heavy here. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. It comes. Then the next sentence is Delhi is one of the biggest cities of India. The adjective is big, bigger, biggest. It becomes. Just I am identifying the adjective and giving an idea to you, but what is your task? Your task is to make the sentences. Okay. Misha is one of the tallest girls in our class. Mr. Kapoor is one of the best teachers in our school. Mr. Pandit was one of the greatest leaders of India. John is not one of the best players of hockey. She is not one of the prettiest women of our town. She is not one of the best doctors of this hospital. Mr. Mishra is not one of our best workmen. This is not one of the best ways to solve this problem. Here are some more examples, and these examples are also in superlative form. Bombay is the best seaport of India. Riding is the best kind of exercise. She is the most beautiful girl in our class. Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist of England. Forgiveness is the noblest form of revenge. Ashok is not the best player of our team. Quinine is not the bitterest of all medicines. She is not the wisest of all girls in our class. He is not the richest man of our town. Here are some more examples. The examples which I am going to read now, these examples, the examples which I read before, those all examples you have to write your own, children. Try to make the sentences. See, which are those examples? These examples, nearly 10 examples are there. These examples change into other 2 degrees. Even these examples also you have to change in other 2 degrees. And this is another chart. Have a look on these examples, in which form these examples are. Okay, these examples are in comparative form. Shakespeare is greater than any other English poet. Lead is heavier than any other metal. Radha is more beautiful than any other girl in our class. The elephant is bigger than any other animal on land. Iron is more useful than most other metals. Mahesh is cleverer than most other boys of our class. English is more difficult than most other European languages. Delhi is bigger than most other cities of India. So, other 2 forms, what 2 forms are remaining in this to change? Positive and superlative. Understood, children? Take your own time and try to write. If you solve more examples, you will understand more, children. I hope you will do your homework. So that's all in today's session. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, keep on completing all your tasks, keep on completing your homeworks, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in WhatsApp or send any doubt. You can ask me your doubt in WhatsApp. And please keep on completing every work. Don't keep any work pending, children. Understood? Meet you in the next session. Thank you.